Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Works for those who are new here, and if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please do so. It is free. And on today's video we are diving deep into a very fascinating topic: why are more and more Arabs are choosing Jamaica as their second home. Let's explore this cultural connection and find out what makes Jamaica the perfect destination for a home away from home for people from the Arab world. First off, one of the key reasons why Arabs are drawn to Jamaica is the warmth and hospitality of the Jamaican people. Jamaicans are known for their friendly lines and open arms to visitors. And this sense of community and inclusivity mirrors the strong familial ties found in many Arab cultures. And Arab families looking for a welcoming environment often find that Jamaicans' rich culture of hospitality is a perfect match for them. Let's talk about the culture. While there may seem to be a big difference between the Caribbean and the Arab world, they actually share some similarities. Both cultures value family, community, and maybe traditions. Jamaica's deep sense of family and traditions is a huge draw. From the family oriented Sunday dinners to the celebration of life, both the cultures cherish these bonds. Arab often feel at home in Jamaica's vibrant social scene. And another thing is about the luxury and lifestyles. As you know that many Arabs are looking for an exclusive, serene and beautiful place to call their second home. Jamaica, with its stunning beaches, luxury resorts and tropical landscape, offers the perfect mix of relaxation and indulgence. Whether it's a high-end villa in Montego Bay or a beachfront property in Negril, Jamaica's offers kind of tranquility and natural beauty that appeals to those seeking a second home in paradise. Jamaica is not just a paradise for relaxation. It's also an exciting destination for business and investment. And with increasing trade relationship between Arab nations and Jamaica, many Arabs entrepreneurs are investing in Jamaica real estate, tourism, and even in agriculture. Business opportunities coupled with a stable and growing economy make Jamaica an attractive destination for Arabs looking to expand their portfolios while enjoying a vibrant lifestyle. And another thing is about the powerful pull for Arabs to Jamaica is the island's connection to the nature and spirituality. Jamaica's large forests, quiet beaches, and tranquil landscape provide an ideal space for reflection, meditation, and connecting with the nature, a common value in many Arab cultures. Whether it's a quiet moment by the sea or a spiritual retreat in the island hills, Jamaicans and Arabs alike find peace and rejuvenation in the highlands' natural beauty, man. And so there you have it, from the shared values of family and traditions to the luxury lifestyles and opportunities for investment. It's clear why Jamaica is becoming the second home for many Arabs. Whether it's a welcoming spirit, the natural beauty, or the chance for personal and business growth, Jamaica offers something special to everyone who chooses to call it home. And in addition to what we have talked about, there are one more thing that truly makes Jamaica stand out for many Arab families: the island's unique experiences and lifestyle. Jamaica is not just a place to visit, it's a place to live fully. From reggae music to the vibrant festivals and the local cuisines, Jamaicans have created a world of sensory experiences that anyone from anywhere can embrace. So many Arabs who settle in Jamaica say that this experience help them reconnect with the joy and creativity. Whether it's the rich rhythm of reggae that mirrors the vibrant energy of the Arabs' world or music, or the Jamaican spice in the food that offers a bit of the familiar alongside the new, the island is truly a place of cultural fusion. And another thing is the sense of community and the growing Arab expat network in Jamaica. While Jamaica might not have a large Arab population, it is steadily growing. This means that Arab expats, entrepreneurs, and families can find a strong support network, creating a sense of belonging even when they are far from home. And through this network, Arabs can connect with others from their culture, change experiences, and share their love for Jamaica with others who feel the same way. And now, whether you are from the Arab world or elsewhere, Jamaica has something to offer. If you are curious about life in this Caribbean paradise, why don't you go and visit and see for yourself? So, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Have you visited Jamaica, or are you one of those who are considering making it your second home? We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with friends who might be thinking about their tropical escape. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Work good.